Yes, sir. You already know it's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up. So AMC, how to trigger the short squeeze. Before we get into that though, guys, great week. The end of the week on last week, end of the week at $41, showing us great indication that we're trying to build support at our previous resistance level. That $40 level, we've been trying to break above that level for the past 5-6 weeks. We finally got above it, and now we treating it as a new form of support, which is a great sign going into next week. That's why a lot of people is very, very bullish going into next week. We expect it to end Friday green after pulling back, guys, to that gap fill that we seen. We got strong support in the $40 levels, but we had talked about how 43 we knew it wouldn't be able to hold, and then 40 was our next form of support. But we knew 40 wanted to hold, but we know how market makers can easily bring that price down $1 or $2 from where it's supposed to be at. So, guys, that's why we seen that clear indication on the chart where we seen we could pull back to around 38, 39 before ripping back up. And that's exactly what we done on Friday. We pulled back to that gap fill at 39, 39. And that was a great sign because, like I say, we don't always have to close gap fills, but it's always good when we do because you ain't got that in the back of your mind. Like, hey, once we start running back up, you ain't like, hey, we could possibly pull back and close that gap fill, have another pullback, close that gap fill before going back up. But since we pulled back to 39, 39, not saying that this thing can't still come back down, but I highly believe that, we stand above 40 now and it's up from here. You get what I'm saying? Still baby steps, taking this thing day by day, but it's pretty much up from here, guys. A nice steady climb up. So how can we trigger this short squeeze, guys? A short squeeze is typically triggered by unexpected good news, or it could simply be the gradual buildup of buying pressure that outweighs the selling pressure, guys. So a gradual buildup like we've been doing with AMC, because we build up all the way from $2 back at the beginning of the year. We got in around $9 range, and some got in even later, guys. But no matter where you got on that or where you getting off at, as long as you got a plan and you sticking with your conviction and holding for, until you see whatever life-changing money that you see fit for your family and your situation, because everybody's situation is different. So, guys, that gradual build-up is there. We been seeing it. We been experiencing it. And then as we build up this huge price, greater than, AMC all-time high than it's ever been, we holding up at those levels after running up to $77 plus the all-time high for the ones that been watching it like a hawk. And, know we ran up to 77, but on the chart it say 72. That even after pulling back that we expected, that great dip all the way back down under 30 to around $29, we expected anywhere between 26 and 30. We pulled all the way back to 29, which is expected. That's still at $30. The greatest AMC been before this was around 36 bucks. After running up like we did and pulling back, we still was basically at the highest it ever been. That's that gradual buildup. And now we done recovered, currently trading at 41 after them running all the way up to $48 plus last week. So you already know, guys, that gradual buildup is there. So we know that unexpected good news, that's already been happening as well. We got Bitcoin payments coming towards the end of the year. AMC is using all the extra cash that they have to help expand the business. They got Trench the rappers trying to do live concerts. They beating expectations with earnings. They beating expectations with the box revenue, with the movies that's being released. Good news is there. Also, the average transaction per customer, whenever they buying popcorn and all that expensive stuff, the average transaction usually is between about $17 to $20. Now that's going up to about $25 to $27. $5 profit more between millions of customers that AMC have, the world's largest movie theater chain. So the good news is there. We see, every time we do have certain good news, it do help us, get a nice little pop here and there. Even though this is not a fundamental play, this is not a normal stock, good catalyst, good news still help boost the price, guys. Like I say, it's better to hear that than hearing bad news, bad rumors, and bad things surrounding AMC, which could possibly, harm the price. Because at the end of the day, it's still, we attract new investors and new buyers off of what's going on in the real world, off of people hearing exciting news surrounding a particular security to make them want to join in. So you already know, guys, everything is lining up. It's all there. This is potentially going to be one of the greatest stock squeeze in history. And that's not to overhype anyone. It's just calling out the facts, guys. But like I always say, be smart and meticulous. Don't go all in, and be smart and own up to all the investments decisions that you encounter and make in your life, guys. So that's all we really got for this video. Just want to give y'all a quick update on AMC, let you guys know what could possibly trigger the short squeeze. Also, just doing stuff like we've been doing that I rarely talk about now, but just going out and, partaking inside of your investments. If you're investing in AMC, go out, take your family out to the movies, enjoy popcorn, watch a movie. Actually do that, because that helps. If all 4 million of us retail investors was to do that every weekend or every other weekend while we invested, that would just help, the numbers, because numbers don't lie. That'll help the numbers of things come out to a catalyst that could possibly come out like, hey, dang, 4 million of us retail investors, just to say, if everybody took a date, that's 8 million people. Everybody took a date, bought something. Like, that's a whole lot of more money pouring into the company that could possibly bring out some news or catalyst from the numbers being, 5x, 10x higher than they previously was. That bring more catalyst, that'll bring more people into the picture, guys. So I just hope that makes sense. You already know, make it make sense. But regardless of whether we do that or not, I feel this thing is destined to do what it do. But that could just add fuel to the fire and help it steam up a little quicker. So that's all we got for this video, guys. You already know, if you like these type of updates, these type of predictions, all that good stuff, consider joining the family. We post over here every single day. It's your boy B Hayes. We out. I love y'all, and God bless you.
Yeah. Yeah.
I see.